Hey everybody, how's it going? I am your host Adrian, coming to you almost live from lovely Petaluma, California, here in Studio MC2 at QuickSurf Internet Services. Linux News Log is a proud member of the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here. Do feel free to head on over to techpodcast.com and check out all the other technology-related shows over there. I'd like to encourage everybody to visit us online at quicksurf.com and subscribe to the show if you have not already done so. And with that, let's go ahead and get into the stories for this episode. Starting off at betanews.com, Linux fans rejoice. Dell XPS 13 will come with Ubuntu. Dell must have read my story. What will it take to make Linux popular? Agreed with Linus Torvalds' initial thoughts, then thought that it might be a good idea to publicly announce Project Sputnik, which despite the name doesn't have anything to do with spacecraft like Dell would want you to believe. So anyway, what Project Sputnik does is bring an official developer laptop based on the Dell XPS 13 with Ubuntu 12.04 long-term support preloaded, available in select geographies. So that's pretty cool. Keep an eye out for that. You should be seeing it here pretty quick. From PC World, Ubuntu Linux 12.10 will integrate web apps into its desktop. The next version of Ubuntu Linux will include a new feature that can incorporate commonly used web apps directly into the user's desktop. Canonical founder Mark Shuttleworth announced at OSCON on Thursday the new feature called Ubuntu Web Apps will give users of the popular Linux distribution a way to run online applications such as Facebook, Twitter, Last.fm, eBay, and Gmail directly from the desktop rather than always having them confined to the browser. So that's pretty cool. I'll be trying that out with the next version when it becomes available. From ZDNet, Rackspace is saying that OpenStack could be the Linux of the cloud. OpenStack has the potential to become as widely used in cloud computing as Linux in servers, according to Rackspace's chief executive Lanham Napier. Also, if the open source cloud operating system is picked up by a massive business across the industry, it could become the Android to the proprietary iPhone clouds sold by Google, Microsoft, and VMware, he told ZDNet. You know, we talked about OpenStack on the last episode or two, and quite frankly, I'm just meh. That's how I feel. From PCMag.com, Valve moves forward with Steam for Linux. Valve today confirmed that it is building a version of its Steam gaming platform for Linux. This is good news. The company made the announcement on a newly created blog that will chart the progress of Steam for Linux. The goal of the Steam client project is a fully featured Steam client running on Ubuntu 12.04, the Valve Linux team wrote. So pretty interesting. The first game to be featured on the platform will be Left 4 Dead. And since the Steam client isn't much without a game, we're also porting Left 4 Dead 2 to Ubuntu, the team said. So pretty neat. Be looking forward to that when it becomes available. From MarketWatch, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server powers Europe's fastest supercomputer. Wow. Awesome. Today, Europe's most powerful supercomputer was officially inaugurated by IBM during a ceremony celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Leibniz Richtstrom, or LRZ, of the Bavarian Academy of Sciences in Garching, Germany, used to solve difficult scientific questions in physics and fluid dynamics. SuperMUC, as it's known, is powered by a SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. It ranks number 4 in the June 2012 Top 500 list of the world's fastest supercomputers. Whoa, that's pretty fast. The next story that we have from the H Open online, there's a story here they have, what's new in Linux 3.5. Together with a new version of Xserver, Linux 3.5 will offer improved hybrid graphics support. The new kernel supports FireWire target disk mode, which is a familiar Mac feature, and performance monitoring components can now keep an eye on user space software. So pretty interesting stuff. Check out all the stories. That'll pretty much do it for this episode. I'm fighting off of kind of a sore throat, so I'm trying to get through this as quickly as possible. So this will be a short episode. Next week we'll try to slow things down a little bit. But other than that, please do subscribe to the show. You can visit us online over at quicksurf.com if you want. And I will see all of you on the next episode. See you then. Bye.